Just another cold weather quickie here. I installed the, I can't remember what you call them, not gaskets, but whatever, those automatic lifts for the frunk and the trunk. And it's minus 23, minus 24 here. Let's see how they perform. They're brand new, I just installed them.
Destination is on the right.
So it's minus 23. I just installed. There's the front. Does it look like it's opening to you? And there's the trunk. Okay, so the graphics show one thing, but guys, in minus 23, doesn't really want to lift. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can do it. You see what I'm saying? So that's something to consider. In cold climate, these automatic shocks, I guess that's what they're called. I don't know why my Zoom keeps doing that, but anyway. So, not so great. And let's go look at the trunk. It's the same deal, by the way. It kind of partially opened, but not really, because you know, what am I supposed to do to get in here? I gotta lift this thing up. So just know, if you live in cold climates, those automatic shocks, these are the top selling ones on Amazon, both the front and back. I think they're like 20 bucks each. In cold, minus 20, minus 23, may not work so great.